Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with exercise 10.3 of chapter 10. Question number 2. Suppose you've been given a circle, give the construction to find its center. This is similar to the sums that we have done in the solved example as well as for proving theorem 10.5, which states that given any non-collinear points, only one circle can pass through them. So what I will do is I will take any 3 points on this circle. I'll mark these points as P, Q, R. What did we learn? That if you join PQ and QR and take the perpendicular bisectors of PQ and QR, then the point of intersections of these perpendicular bisectors will be the center of the circle, right? And that is also called the circumcenter. So what we are going to do now is, the second step is to join PQ and QR. So let's do this. So I am joining P to Q and Q to R. Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisectors of PQ and QR. So joining these 2 points, this line segment, let's mark it as E and F. Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of QR. So just renaming E on top over here. Now I'm going to join these 2 points. And I'm extending this line as well. This point here will be the center. You can mark this as O. And you will notice that length OP will be equal to length OQ, which will be equal to length OR. Let's confirm this. So OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR, right? Therefore, OP, OQ and OR are the radii of the circle with center O. So let's now go ahead and write down the construction. So I'll say construction steps. Step 1 is take any 3 points on the circle namely P, Q and R. Then what you're going to do is join PQ and QR. If you want, see, you have marked E and F for this line segment, right? E and F. You can mark for this line segment also. So I'll call this AB. So E and F are the perpendicular bisector of QP, and AB is the perpendicular bisector of QR. Now draw perpendicular bisectors AB and EF of chords. So AB is the perpendicular bisector of QR and EF is the perpendicular bisector of PQ, so respectively. Mark the point of intersection of AB and EF as O. measure OP, OQ and OR. Since OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR, they are the radii of my circle. Therefore, O is the center of the circle. So please take a look at the construction as well as the construction steps. So when you've been given to give the construction to find the center or give the construction, you do not only have to draw the construction, but you also have to write the steps for the teacher to understand what exactly you have done to find whatever is being given. Here you have to find the center O. So this was about question number 2. Let's take a look at the last question in the next class. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.